beginning. There was chaos. Our victory brought order to the land. Prosperity to mankind. Now, that order is threatened. The sacred halls of Olympus have been breached. Brothers, in the end, we will suffer. In the end, we will triumph. In the end, there will be only chaos.
Great. So what you just saw right there is the surround sound actually doing its thing. Now, you're not going to notice any difference because you're not hearing it through my car. So my car has 4 speakers. There are actually, there's one right here. There's another one on that side. There is one on that side and then one on the other. So because of that, because of the Teyes radio, it gives you the whole surround sound experience. So if you're sitting in the car and you're sitting at the back or even at any seat, you actually get the surround sound experience. So at night when you're watching stuff, it actually feels like you are in the cinema. But yeah. Great. So another thing I forgot to mention is just how the music works. Okay, so here's the music player of Teyes. I'm gonna try and play something. Usually when you press the play button, something pops up, but oh well, doesn't. So let's try this one. I'm not gonna let it play. I'm not gonna let it play that much because then I'm gonna get a copyright strike. So usually when you go on there, this does make your audio quality crisp, and I mean crisp. All right. So if you go on the settings here, you have EQ settings for audio heads. Obviously, I don't know what any of these things do. I can tamper with it and learn, but I can't be bothered because everything works perfectly fine for me. But for all your audio heads who actually like, tampering with this, you can see this right here. This actually makes surround sound better. All right. If you have speakers all over, your car, the surround sound is absolutely perfect. As you can see here, if you have subwoofers, then you can actually adjust this and play with the subwoofer. All right, here's the field, okay, of the surround sound. You can actually delay certain sounds at the back of your car compared to the front, so on and so forth. It depends really on your car. It depends on your speakers. It depends on how you like your audio. Okay, you can actually switch to easy mode, so all this actually makes sense. It doesn't sound like fucking rocket science, but at the end of the day, yeah, this is the options that you get. You can adjust things around and play with it and see what type of audio quality that you like. But in general, I say that if you like watching movies, this is perfect because it sounds like you are in the cinema. Okay, that's how good it is. So yeah, that is basically the gist of the audio for the Teyes CC3. That is me testing out YouTube Advanced, which is the ad-free version of YouTube, and also, just the audio in general. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below.